Okay, this strategy right here, I mean, as you can see the patterns right here, you see greens here, and then you'll see green there, and you'll see two greens there, a green, and then you see a couple more greens there, a green. Okay, so if you just look at the greens here, I would wait for the first one to show, get in on the second one. Over here, I would wait till the first one to show, then get on the second one. If that don't work, I only remember I only got in one time right here. So on the second one, which is this, I mean, and that was been a fail. But then when I got on this one, I get on twice, and then that would have been a win right there. Okay, so we'll go to the next screen, see the first one, do the second one is a win. Okay, same if you want to do with the red. Okay, so here's the red. The second one right here, that would have been one time you got in. Okay, that was a loss. Here, this is another red here. The second time you got in there, you would hit that twice. That would have been a win right there. Here's the first red, second red, that would have been a win. Here's the first red, that would have been a loss, but you only hit it one time. But over here on this one that you lost on, you're going to hit the next one, which is here, twice, which would have been a win. And it goes on and on. One thing I do too, in some cases, I look down here because, see, up in the green zone, you know it's going to be kind of like more multiples of greens and bigger greens. And then when it crosses down right here, you know it's going to be bigger, then start being bigger reds. So you could let that little green show up and then get in on that next red right there. But the whole object is wait till you see that color first. So you'll wait till you see a red first. Surely a red, get in on that one. If it loses, you only got in one time here. On this right here, you're going to get in twice. If that one loses, then the next one you get in the fourth one. I didn't even have to go to the fourth ones here because literally after this one was wrong, this one would be right. So I got hit this one time, it lost, and then I got up and up on this one, hit it twice. When I mean hit it twice, I mean I hit red twice right here. And these are 5 seconds here. This is 5 seconds candles right here. Okay, so now I'm going to just let it play and demonstrate. That's the first red I tried. Okay, that one won already. Okay. And again, I'm in the red zone too. So when anytime it crosses over like this and you see the big reds, you're in the red zone. So right now we're let it keep going. Okay, now I'm going for the green. No, that was red right there too. That failed right there. That red failed. Now this one is the second time I'm getting 2 times right there because the last red failed right there. And that red second one right there that just now happened, that one was a win. I did this method here for even up on this video here. It's roughly about 5 minutes. And it got about $400 in 5 minutes just from this strategy right here. Because even like I said, you look back at the pattern, you can see it right here. What's going on? You'll see right here, you'll get one green, one green, one green. See, that's why I said before, you see how these are going one green, and things like that. That because it's in a red zone. That's why sometimes it's best for you to wait for it to get into them zones, and then you capitalize. You know, like up here, you know that after that red, at some point, it will be a nice strong green in there because it's up in the, anything above this middle line here, when this red line here, this red line right there, goes above, pretend there's a visible line here. Because right now you can see the red momentum hang down here, the green will hang up to the, so it's almost like a visible line is here. And so when this red line right here start crossing down, now it's going to the red zone. When it start trying to head back up and go up, now it's in the green zone. So right now, most of these candles now that come down, it's going to be big, stronger red candles here because we're in the red zone down here. And then you'll see as the red line goes up and then the green line, and then now you're getting bigger candles. Now we're heading, because red is heading towards the middle, and now most of these greens now going to be bigger. Yep. So that was roughly about, like I say, in about 5 minutes, about $400.